it's a wild-eyed stare. Siamese cat pieces scattered everywhere. Tail in the corner, paws in the sky. Where does this whisker fit? I can't deny. Her gaze is judging my every move. A feline queen with nothing to prove. I try to piece her face, but she looks away, like she's mocking me on this puzzling day. Siamese cat jigsaw driving me mad. Every piece I place feels hilariously bad. She's lounging nearby with a sneaky grin. I swear she knows I'll never win. Her ears are tricky, they all look the same. I'm lost in the puzzle, it's a cruel little game. She stretches out, yawns like she's bored of the show, but deep down I know she's loving my woe. The tail's on the left, no wait, it's the right. This puzzle's a maze in the dimming light. She leaps to the table, swipes a piece away. I guess the Siamese cat wins today. Siamese cat jigsaw driving me mad.